This baby. No! You killed him. Oh no, you didn't. Here. He's in my face. He's in my face. Put it in my hand. Like he's in my face. This is so cool that we found baby frog in the sand.
Oh, he was in the sandbox?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see him. Oh, he's so tiny. You think that's Fribbit's baby?
Yeah. Fribbit's gone though. Gone forever.
Where'd he go, Gus? Oh.
Can I hold him now? He's like, I need food. Wait, don't.
He jumped on your arm.
Let me. He likes me. Do it to me. No, do it to me. No! Go. What the heck? What the? Look at my hand. He likes me. What the poop what? He looks like he's hungry. It's about him eat cat wheat. Not him yelling.